And now it's Peary Berry soap with soap dough pears.
Is it Peary Berry or Peary Berry?
Peary Berry. Berry Peary.
Berry Peary. Sounds like a lawyer's name, doesn't it?
Yeah, Berry Peary. From Better Call Saul.
Yeah.
Oh look, it's my old stick blender. Not using that one anymore. I keep switching back and forth between like 3 of them. Something bothers me about every one of them. So I need like 3 at all times.
That's right. Incidentally, this soap, I don't remember him making it, but I remember the hard work you put into doing the embeds. The embeds are amazing.
That was when I had a whole month of like, hey, let's play with soap dough. And everything just turned out pretty good. Not bad anyways. But I don't actually remember making this soap either, because it's been about 2 weeks. Today's July 14th. We are probably in the bush when you're watching this. Camping finally. And this is part of the fall series soap, which will be out in September. And this one smells delicious.
And there's the vibrant colours
we're using. I love this color palette.
Oh, there's the embeds.
The embeds coming up. Coming up.
They're like well-crafted candy.
Raspberries, blueberries, and soap dough pears. And Peary Berry, or pear. Come on.
Peary Berry.
There's our color palette. Let's see how we did. I'm doing the piping in the chartreuse green. The second, whatever, the darker green. So there's our piping. We're going to put that off to the side.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to get the palettes exact. It's trial and error, but...
Oh, that's what I was going to say. The fragrance is from Island Escape Fragrances, Canadian company. Delicious fragrances. Try them out. What color's that?
Support
There's
Canadian business,
again.
yeah.
Blue. That red looked weird. Let me think. I might have... Oh no, it looks right on actually. If you look at the color palette.
Yeah, it's not far off.
Anyway, the fragrance is actually called... I think it's called Pears and Berries.
Yep.
So I just called the soap Peary Berry because I was too lazy to think of something creative.
You can imagine how fruity that's going to be.
Oh, it's really fresh. The pear, you can smell the pear. You can smell the berries too, but the pear really comes through. Really wonderful fragrance. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, hit that big fat red button that says subscribe on it. Feel free. The more the merrier. Join our little clique of crazy, and we won't disappoint you on the crazy level.
Yeah, I'm just looking at this palette.
It's a nice palette.
Why are they showing you white when you can't
There's
make
no
white?
white.
White.
No, that's not white. There's the fragrance. Pears and berries.
That's
That
it.
was not white, by the way. I'll just show you in a minute what that was at the end of that color swatch. So I'm putting the fragrance in each color one at a time because I'm doing layers. I don't want straight layers. Or did I do straight layers? I can't
I didn't see you do it. I saw you do the embeds, but not make the
I can't
soap.
remember. That's crazy. But anyways, God knows. Things change as you go. I think I did try to do straight layers and had a slight mishap at one point, if I'm remembering correctly. I think that's Nurture Soap Trial by Fire Red with a little bit of black in it.
Yeah,
That's what
maybe.
that is. Okay. Here comes the chartreuse green. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, it's a nice green, isn't it? It's emeraldy.
It is emeraldy.
There's the Bionic Woman again. Zzz.
Now, is this thick or what did I do here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this layer went okay. I don't think I broke through the red.
I think you've just got to be gentle, haven't you, when you get
Put
your
the
spatula
yeah,
right down
Put
it.
the spatula under your soap to break the fall, right? Tap, tap, tap. And then I just poured the blue on because the green was thick enough. Where's that fourth color? That's what I want to know. Or is that the piping?
That's a very...
Does that not look just like blueberries?
Yeah, it's very rich.
Love that
blue,
color.
yeah.
That blue is, I'm not sure exactly what blue that is, but just add a bit of black to it if you want that color.
Very near. Exactly the look of a blueberry, yeah.
Okay. That's a light green that always morphs into something pukey, and then it comes back. So don't worry about it. Just gotta trust me.
But it'll all work. It'll all work.
I'm still not... There was a fourth color, was there not? Maybe this is the fourth color, and it just doesn't look right now.
Oh,
The
man.
one that you thought was white was actually a really pale green. So I'm sure this comes back to a pale green. It always does. But right now it looks like fluorescent, what, yellow?
Yeah, it's a yellowy, creamy colour. Yeah, that blue is really vibrant, isn't it? You know, definitely the same colour, if not closer, damn it, to a blueberry.
Yeah, you can basically make a lot of your own colors if you have the primary colors. I would suggest like get primary colors from Nurture Soap. I think they have the best ones, especially the reds. Trial by Fire or Really Red, either one. I like Trial by Fire, it's so gorgeous. Get your primaries from there and get some neon pigments, and you can, and then get black and titanium dioxide, and then you can make any color you want.
Oh, it is them amazing embeds now.
Yeah.
Don't they look really good, people, eh?
They look alright.
A lot of effort to do them.
I want them perfect though, and I get annoyed when there's like, you know, like I don't see what I, you know.
No fruit is imperfect. Each fruit is different, right?
Well,
not all the
that's
same
true,
shape,
but,
bumps
yeah.
and sizes.
No, that's true. See the lines on the side of my mold
Yeah.
that I'm supposed to be following? I don't even follow them anymore. I just sort of space everything out and cut around it.
I think you get used to that, the distance that you're comfortable at, so you do it automatically.
Kind of, but I usually screw it up. Like, I mean, look at that. There's an end piece without a pair now, right? That's okay. We can have that piece. There go the raspberries. Those are just glycerin, melt and pour. I mean, I don't know. I can mold strawberries out of soap dough, but raspberries, give me a break. No way. Not happening.
Very difficult.
It is so hot in here. We can't turn the air conditioner on in here because we're narrating and it's like 32 degrees outside.
It's like the air
It's
coming
probably
777 Boeing.
37 degrees inside. You think?
Yeah, it's Turkish sauna time.
Turkish sauna, yeah.
And here's the blueberries. I know you want to go out and buy a punnet now from the superstore, but
These will be ready in September if I haven't said that already. I think I did already say that. Sorry. We're doing multiple narrations and I can't remember. Look at that end piece.
yeah,
We'll
but
be
you can
keeping
always,
that one.
You always keep the end piece.
Did I make 10 pairs? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You know we do 10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I did do 10, I just didn't space them out.
Look at that, it's just beautiful. So I wonder what the inside will look like. And that is yellow on the top, isn't it?
No,
Yellowy green.
no, I'm telling you, it's green. It's going to turn green. It's just
And
that. Oh,
now-
there it is. Yeah.
Bing.
Go ahead, subscribe. We promise you cuckoo.
Yeah.
So, look at the top now. How pale it's gotten. And it's
Oh,
really
yeah.
no longer yellow. There, see?
Yeah.
I matched it perfectly.
Yeah.
Even using a morphed color, I'm getting good.
Yeah, that's a good process.
I am practicing my colors because
And I'm sure that colour looks like a flag.
maybe. What flag is it, folks? Does that look like a flag?
I'm sure it is.
Does anybody know? Red, green, and blue, you mean? I don't know. Well, of all the flags in all the world, it has to be a flag, right?
It's probably somewhere obscure.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's turned out really nice the way the layers are fairly even.
Fairly. The top one I, got a little lazy on, but there it is.
What
So,
about that?
don't worry, if you order this soap, you will get a pair. I'm going to save that last piece for us that doesn't have a pear. How's
You
that?
get all the fruits included free of charge.
Yeah, don't eat them.
Even though you feel like eating them when you look at them and smell them.
Oh, aren't they pretty?
Yeah,
That's not a
duo,
brace, is it? No, it's
beautiful.
four.
Is it
It was
four?
four. Yep.
Quadro.
Oh, look, it's time to go. Okay, guys. Stay
See you next
safe.
time, people.
See you next Saturday.
Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.
Bye.